here's my latest scrapyard find. I saw it at the scrapyard probably 3 months ago, and just had to took that long to make my mind up about it. It's a Craftsmen 5-horse wood chipper, shredder, what have you. I've got the other wheel for it there, and all the other parts here. You know, that's the hopper for leaves and that type of thing. And I removed the other hopper that you feed the. It goes right here. You feed the big up to about 2.5-inch pieces of wood into, and at the moment it seems to be seized. It doesn't turn over, so hard to say why that is, but luckily, you know, I've got like 25-horse Briggs and Strattons, so I'm not worried about that part of it. The other wheel there, the tire, the rubber part was off it. They're non-inflatable, like there's no air in it, but for some reason it came off the rim. So I got it inside warming up. It's below freezing today, so it wasn't very, it wouldn't want to go back on the rim very easy when it's cold. So anyway, this guy here, he's down there. Got a little bit of rust, what have you. Let's see if I can figure out the date on it here. Looks like 1990. So, how do you like that? September 11th, 1990. But I did notice one thing. There seems to be a crankcase cover bolt partially unscrewed there. That might be partially why there's like oil all over it. You know, dirt and oil from use. Apparently the one bolt backed itself out. Maybe vibration from the big, in effect, flywheel there cutting. I'm sure that puts vibration out. But anyway, just wanted to make a quick video here while it's sunny out about my latest scrapyard acquisition. So my intention with this one is to definitely get it running and attack my my brush pile up there. So yeah, but I wanted to get it before winter set in too much, because you know I didn't know the gas cap was missing, but the exhaust pointed up on it, so I don't know, I think it must have got bent or something, but so I didn't want the motor filling up with water. But anyway, so I'll make some videos. I'll take the head off and all that fun stuff. So yep, good scrapyard find. It's the only shredder I've seen at the scrapyard. So anyway, everybody have a good one.